Okay. Introduce yourself.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Vamsi. My name is Suresh and I am from Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in Maya Institute of Technology and Science in Amalapuram, and I have completed my intermediate in Deepthi Junior College, Mahmud Kudru, with 84 percentage in 2018, and I completed my schooling in ZBHS High School in my village in 2016 with a 9.3 CGPA. And coming to my skills, I'm good in SQL, manual testing, and core Java. And recently, I have completed my internship experience in PHN Technology Private Limited as a manual test intern.
Oh, okay.
Uh, and I have come in my internship. Yeah,
Okay,
can I
okay, no
continue?
problem. Okay, it's okay, no problem. What is software testing?
Okay. Yeah, software testing means testing the application with a function. Software testing means testing the application by using customer requirements to find out the defects in the software is called software testing.
Okay. What is manual testing?
Manual testing means testing the functionalities of an application according to the customer requirements specifications without using any tools and by using only human efforts is called manual testing.
What is automation testing?
Automation testing means testing the application by using some tools without having any manual effects is called automation testing. Some of the tools like Selenium, Tosco,
Okay.
etc. There.
Yes, good. Why testing is important?
Yeah. Yeah, testing is important because of if you test the software because it improves the quality of the software and customer can use it very goodly and customer can run his business without having any problems. And testing is mainly important because of when the customer uses the application, they will not face any problems or bugs, right?
Okay. What is project and product based applications?
The project means project is a developed for a person to develop a software, and product means it is a product means it is a development to use the bulk amount of users in the market.
Okay. Can you explain me about HDLC?
Yeah, STLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. It is a step-by-step process to develop a software, and it has a different stages like requirement collection, feasibility study, analysis, and designing, coding, testing, installation, and maintenance. First of all, I'm starting with the requirement collection. Requirement collection is nothing but collection of requirements from the customer place. Her BA stands for business analyst. He will be the main person in this requirement collection, and he will go to the customer place and collect the requirements in the business language and convert into customer requirement specification. And her BA will act a bridge between customer and the company. And
Okay.
next, feasibility study analysis. Feasibility study analysis is nothing but it is a it is a meeting conducted by a group of people like business analyst and manager, architecture, finance team, and HR team, etc. And
Okay.
next of all, I'm going with design. Designing is nothing but design the application. There are two types of designs are there: high level design and low level design. High level design is designed by the architect of the project, and low level design is designed by the senior development engineer. And next of all, we will go with development. Development is nothing but writing the programs like coding. They will develop the application according to the requirements. Once the
Okay.
developers will develop the application, then the next phase is testing. Testing is nothing but testing the application. Uh, when the development is completed, next phase is testing and test the application, and they will write the test cases, test scenarios, and test the application. And
Okay.
they will, if they face any problems in the software, they will communicate with the development team, and development will solve it. And after when they get quality of the product, the next phase is maintenance, installation. And installation is nothing but installing the software in the customer place, and customer can run the business. And next of all, the last stage is maintenance. Maintenance is nothing but customer can use the business, can run the business, and if they face any problem, then the company will resolve it within
Okay.
the span of time.
Yes, done.
Yeah, that's
Why? Yes, okay, good. Why BA will convert
mm.
CRS document into SRS document?
Because BRS document is in the business business requirements. Business BRS stands for business requirement specification, and BRS uh, only BRS only understand by the BA because it is in the business language.
Okay,
When it is when we send the BRS into any other team in the company, like development team, testing team, they will not understand because it is completely in the business language. So then the time BA will convert the BRS into SRS, so it is understandable to the team which is development.
okay, okay, good.
That's the
Yes. Can you explain me about waterfall model?
yeah, waterfall model. Yeah. It is a step-by-step process to develop a new software. It has a different types. It has different stages like requirement collection, feasibility study analysis, designing, coding, testing, installation, and maintenance. Waterfall model is mainly used for small projects and small term applications. It is not suitable for big term applications because if the feasibility study analysis is freezed in the waterfall model, then all the stages will be freezed. In the waterfall model, if you if you can go to change any requirements, we can expect a very good quality of the product.
Okay,
And it is easily maintenance, and it is easily understandable and used. Initial investment is also less.
okay, okay, fine. What is verification?
Yeah, verification means verifying the verification is done by the testers, which is CRS, SRS, high level design, and low level design, which are verified by the testers according to the customer requirement specification.
Okay, done. What is validation?
Validation is nothing but mm, validation is nothing but when the testers will test the application by executing the test cases, and they will check the software is capable of handling or not. It is called validation.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is spiral model?
Spiral model. Spiral model is mainly used when there is the dependency between number of modules. It is also a step-by-step process to develop a new software. Here, when the customer is having, if the application is having more number of modules, like if we keep adding, for example, if if we take a model, then we keep adding B model, C model, like this. Keep updating on the application, then we use spiral model. And in the spiral model, we can test after the coding, we can test the application, and every stage is tested, and so customer can use the software in every phase.
Okay,
So there is a more customer confidence is there, and customer
okay,
satisfaction. Yeah.
okay, next. What is white box testing?
Yeah, white box testing is nothing but writing the box testing is nothing but writing the program, and test the every line of program is called white box testing. It is done by the developers.
Okay. Yes. What is black box testing?
Yeah, black box testing means testing the application by the testers
Okay.
according to the customer requirements. Is called black box testing.
Okay. What are the levels of testing?
There are different types of levels are there: functional testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing.
Okay. What is scenarios?
Scenarios is nothing but to test the software. There are different types of scenarios are there: positive scenarios and negative scenarios. Positive scenarios means to test the application with the valid values.
Okay.
And negative scenarios are negative testing means to test the software which is not which is by using invalid values is called negative testing.
Okay. What is integration testing?
Integration testing means when the developers will develop the code by units, and they will combine all the code at a time and test the software is called integration testing.
Okay. What is stub?
What?
What is stub? Stub and driver.
Yeah, stubs. Stubs are mainly used in the top-down approach system, because stubs are the mainly used in the when there is the dependency between modules, and when there is when there is I mean, how can I say?
Okay. Okay. No
Yeah,
problem.
when, when the developed application, when the submodule is not there, then the stubs are used by the developers. It is a dummy program.
Yes. Good.
Yeah.
Yes. What are
Because
the entry and exit? What are the entry
uh,
and exit steps for functional testing?
yeah, entry and exit steps for functional testing means entry steps are to have we have to create our test plan and test cases. um, First of all, it is mainly passes the smoke testing, and we have all the valid values and valid values and invalid values to test the application, and these are the entry criteria. And exit criteria means we have to complete our 85 to 90% of test cases, and most of the test cases will pass when we are executing the test cases. That's it.
Okay. Can we start the interview?
Yes, okay, sir.
Okay. Please introduce yourself.
This is Shilpa, sir. I have completed my BSc Computers in 2011. Now I'm housewife, sir. I'm from Ballari, sir.
Okay. Okay. What is software?
Software is a set of executable test applications, sir. Software applications.
Okay. What is testing?
Testing, it is a process to find out the defects in a software application, sir.
Okay. Why testing is important?
It is very, very important to avoid the defects and failures also, sir.
Okay. What is manual testing?
Manual testing is done by manual effort, sir.
Okay. What is automation testing?
Automation testing is conducted by some tools, sir. Software tools. Tools are Selenium, like that.
Okay. Can you explain me about HDLC?
HDLC is a processor of processing defects activities, sir. It is a
Okay.
process to okay, sir.
What is HDLC?
HDLC software development life cycle, sir.
Okay. How many phases in SDLC and what are the phase? What are there?
There are 7 phases, sir. First of all, requirements gathering, sir. Second one, feasibility study, and then design phase. Fourth one is coding or developing, sir. Coding or development. Fifth one, testing. Sixth one, installation or deployment. Seventh one, maintenance.
Okay, can you explain me about feasibility study?
Feasibility study is the meetings are conducted by developers, business analysts, technicians, technical group, financial HR department, financial department. In
Okay.
that phase, we freeze the requirements, what are the available to the customer. What we gather from the customer, we have freezed it, sir. That freeze it in that phase.
Okay. Why BA will convert CRS into SRS document?
Okay, sir. CRS is it is understandable only to the business analyst, sir. We have to convert it in SRS or FRS. We can understand, sir. Developer, tester, customer, like that.
Okay. What is HLD and LLD?
HLD is low level. HLD is high level design, sir. LLD is low level design.
Okay, what is that? HLD means what? LLD means what?
Sir, HLD means the outlook design, sir.
Okay.
LLD is inner look of the app, sir. Inner look, how it works.
Okay, okay. Can you explain me about waterfall model?
Waterfall model. Okay, sir. In waterfall model, it is suitable for small size projects, sir. Their changes are not possible because it is in sequential order. If you completed the requirements and gathering and then freezing, and then you can go to development stage, sir. If you are in development stage, you can't change the requirements again, sir. You
Okay.
can't back those phase, that phase.
Okay. What is V model?
V model means it is a combination of both verification and validation, sir.
Okay, what is verification and validation?
Verification part consists of only verify the documents and requirements, sir. Validation consists of both coding and testing levels.
Okay. What is spiral model?
Spiral model is one of the iterative models, sir.
Okay.
Iterative models. Okay, spiral model is what, sir? Spiral model is suitable for the when requirements are frequently changed. If you want
Okay.
changes in again, you can use the spiral model, sir.
Okay, good. What is prototype model?
What, sir? Protocol.
Prototype model.
Prototype. Okay, sir. A prototype model is suitable for when the requirements are not clear. We may get confusion, sir, in somewhat requirements. Customer is not telling properly what they have, what they want. They are in
Okay, good.
confusion. They are also new to business and new to software development, new to software companies, sir. They are using protocol model. They are then the developer create a dummy model, sir, to show the piece of software to the customer, like it is like.
Okay. Can you explain me about white box testing?
White box testing.
Yes.
White box testing is conducted by the developers only, sir, because there is only a verification about the code only.
Okay. Black box testing?
Black box testing is done by the testers, sir.
Okay.
Now functionality of the application we have to test there only.
Okay. What are the black box testing types?
Black box testing, functional testing, system testing, unit testing, integration testing.
Okay. What are the levels of testing?
Levels of testing: over testing, under testing, and
Not that one.
up testing.
Levels of testing.
Levels of testing: black box testing, white box testing, integration testing, and
Okay, okay. What is scenarios?
scenario is the testing the app in all the possible ways, whether it may be positive or negative.
Okay. What is positive and negative? What is negative?
Positive scenario means we can test with the valid data, sir. Negative
Oh,
scenario, we can test with the invalid data.
okay. What is stub?
Stub is a temporary program developed by the developer to stop the user activities, sir.
Okay. What is driver?
A driver is also a temporary program developed by the developer to continue the user activities, sir.
Okay. What are the entry and exit steps for functional testing?
Functional testing, sir.
Yes. Entry and exit steps for functional testing.
Sir, 80 to 90% test cases should be executed. It can be passed. There are no critical or blocker bugs, sir. Blocker bugs.
Okay. That is entry, exit steps. What about
Yes,
entry
sir.
steps?
Entry steps for functional testing.
Yes.
First of all, we have to do white box testing, sir.
Okay.
That may be in testing, unit testing. We have to complete it both.
Okay.
Experience in trainee analyst role, and I done a course in automation testing. That's all.
What is software?
What?
What is software?
Yeah, a set of executable code or program is called software.
What is testing?
It check the customer requirement, expected requirement or not, and find out the defects in software application like that.
Okay. What is manual testing?
Testing the application with the human interaction without use of any tools.
Okay. What is automation?
Testing the application within the help of tools only.
Okay. What is SDLC?
SDLC stand for Software Development Lifecycle.
Okay.
It will
It uses.
execute.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Tell me.
Oh, okay, one second.
Okay. What are the phases in SDLC and how many phases?
Yeah, requirement gathering,
Okay.
feasibility study, design phase, and coding, testing, deployment, and maintenance.
Okay. Can you explain me about design phase?
Design phase is nothing but a coding phase. No, design phase, check the what type of design should be involved, like low level design and high level design. The high level design should be conducted in architecture team, and the low level design should be conducted in the development team. It will design the outlook and the look of the applications.
Okay. Say about waterfall model.
It's a step-by-step procedure or a standalone procedure. It's a first model to be introduced. It only used for simple requirement and small size projects.
Okay. Why
The
this model is called
documentation and
waterfall?
yeah, there is no backtracking, so it is called waterfall model.
Okay, what is V model?
V model stand for verification and validation. We need to verify the documents like SRS, CRS, high level design and low level design. We need to validate the software application by executing the test cases.
Okay, what is verification?
Verification. Verify the documents like SRS, CRS and high level design and low level design. It is conducted by the quality assurance team.
What is validation?
It validates the test application by executing the test cases. Is conducted by the quality control team.
Okay, what is spiral model?
Spiral model is a combination of iterative and incremental model. If the customer requirement is frequently changed, that time we can use a spiral model. And a big size project also we used.
Okay, what is white box testing?
Is a technique it check the internal structure and coding with the implementation details. It only performed by the developer or who know the programming language very well. The tester should be performed. It check the code only, not a full test application.
Okay, what is black box testing?
Black box is a type of testing and check the software application is work properly and check the performance like that.